Welcome to my in-depth review of HubSpot CRM, where I'll guide you through its features, functionalities, and overall user experience. HubSpot CRM is one of the most popular customer relationship management tools available today, offering a suite of tools designed to streamline your sales, marketing, and customer service operations. In this review, I'll cover everything you need to know to decide whether it's the right CRM solution for your business. We'll start with the dashboard, which is the first thing you see when you log in. The layout is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. HubSpot CRM offers a unified view of all your data, allowing you to track your contacts, deals, and activities in one place. The customization options are extensive, enabling you to tailor the interface to fit your specific business needs. Point one of HubSpot CRM standout features is its contact management system. It provides detailed profiles for each contact, including their interaction history, contact details, and any associated deals or tasks. The automatic tracking of emails, calls, and meetings is particularly helpful, as it saves time and ensures you never miss a follow-up opportunity. The deal pipeline is another highlight. It's visually intuitive, giving you a clear view of where each deal stands in your sales process. You can easily drag and drop deals between stages, add notes, and set reminders. HubSpot CRM's automation tools come in handy here, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks such as follow-up emails and task assignments. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video to explore additional tools and information that could help your business. Moving on to marketing tools, HubSpot CRM includes features like email marketing, form creation, and lead capture. These tools integrate seamlessly with the CRM, ensuring your marketing and sales efforts are aligned. The analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into campaign performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. HubSpot also offers a range of integrations with third-party apps, such as Gmail, Outlook, Slack, and Shopify. These integrations expand its capabilities and allow you to connect the CRM with your existing tools. Another benefit is that HubSpot CRM offers a free plan, making it accessible to small businesses and startups that are just getting started with CRM software. While HubSpot CRM has many strengths, it's important to note some limitations. Advanced features like AI-driven insights and custom reporting are only available in paid plans. However, the free version still provides robust tools for managing customer relationships and improving efficiency. Overall, HubSpot CRM is a powerful and versatile tool that caters to businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly design, extensive features, and free plan make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their sales and marketing efforts. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and insights into business tools and software. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.